Dear students, now we will compare sexual reproduction with asexual reproduction, and we will also discuss the benefits of sexual reproduction over asexual one, and we will know at the end that sexual reproduction is much more better than asexual, because when it comes to genetic recombination and reshuffling of genetic material, then sexual reproduction is far more better as compared to asexual reproduction. The first point that we'll compare is that in asexual reproduction only one single parent is involved. In asexual reproduction, two parents are involved. One is the male and other is the female. The single parent, as we have studied earlier, can give rise to a colonies of the new offsprings, and the single parent can be male or female, and they do not need a partner to increase their number. In sexual reproduction, the two parents, they participate, they contribute their gametes, which finally they are converted into new offsprings or new organisms. In asexual reproduction, there is no gamete formation at all. No gametes are produced, whereas in sexual reproduction, male and female gametes are involved. As there is no gamete formation, so there will be no meiosis. In sexual reproduction, meiosis is essential for the formation of both the male and female gametes, because first we have to halve the number of chromosomes, and then after reducing them to half, they are again doubled when the gametes fertilize each other. In asexual reproduction, the resulting offsprings which are produced, they are just like their parents. They are identical to their parents. Whereas in sexual reproduction, as the new offsprings are born of the combination of genetic material, they are not 100% like their parents. Some plants, some microbes, and some less differentiated animals, they reproduced by asexual mode, whereas most of the higher plants and animals, they reproduce sexually. As in asexual reproduction only one parent is involved, so large number of offsprings are produced in a very short span of time. Whereas in sexual reproduction there is a proper gestation period and it is less rapid. So because of that, small number of offsprings are produced, and their development requires longer duration as compared to the offsprings that are produced asexually. In asexual reproduction, as only one parent is involved, its genetic material is going to be produced again and again, so there is no genetic reshuffling or genetic variation that is going to happen. Whereas in sexual reproduction, there is complete genetic reshuffling. The genetic material of the mother and the genetic material of the father, they are mixed up, and a new combination is produced, which will have a better impact on the offsprings. The new offsprings or the new generations that are produced, they are better adapted to the environments, and they are able to fight the harsh conditions of the environment. So we can say that sexual mode of reproduction is very helpful in the process of evolution. And because of the genetic reshuffling, which is the special benefit of sexual reproduction, such species and such varieties are evolved which are better adapted to environmental conditions, which can survive the hard and harsh conditions and drastic environmental changes.